time and your own. I'll be leaving here in a few moments on an important trip. When I return, possibly I can help you.
You're going to see the old one, aren't you? To find out where the place is.
I'm afraid that's no concern of yours.
But it is. Don't you see, this is an important scientific discovery. I've got to have time to study them before they're disappeared.
But this is also an emergency. I've already told you that I cannot give you permission.
And I'll go by myself, without a government permit. You can't stop me from doing that, can you?
No, I can't. And if you want to jump into the lake, I can't stop you from doing that either. But in any case, the government will assume no responsibility for you. You'll get no guides, no protection. Tell them to bring the jeep around. I'll be ready to leave in 10 minutes. Yes, sir. Good day, Malcolm. Send the commissioner's jeep over right away.
What's the for? Fire and brimstone?
He's new on the job.
Where can I find a guy? A good guy?
Oh, there's lots of them.
I want the best. Someone who knows every inch of the jungle.
Maybe you could get Jungle Jim.
Jungle Jim. What's his address?
He doesn't have any. He lives in the jungle. It's about 3 days from here by water. Near Ngaba Lake.
Ngaba Lake. Thanks.
Oh, tell Commissioner Keith that I decided to jump in the lake. Ngaba Lake.